Hey boys and girls, today we're going to do another activity. I'm going to say a beginning sound and then I'm going to say the rest of the word, and I want you to put the sounds together and tell me what words you made. Okay, the word is I'm. What's the word? That's right, time. The next one is desk. What's the word? That's right, desk. The next one is Tuesday. What's the word? Tuesday. Okay, the next one, bench. What's the word? Bench. Next word, oodle. What's the word? Noodle. Each. What's the word? Peach. Dinosaur. What's the word? Dinosaur. Midnight. What's the word? Midnight. Unlight. What's the word? Sunlight. Eedle. What's the word? Needle. Oodle. What's the word? Poodle. And the last one, each. What's the word? Yes, teach.